Can you introduce yourself?
Good morning, sir, madam. I am Imi Mina Galabi.
How old are you?
I'm 41 years old, ma'am.
Single, married?
Married, ma'am.
How many kids do you have?
I have 2 kids, ma'am.
How old are they?
18 and 16, ma'am.
So who will look after your kids when you work in Hong Kong?
My husband, ma'am.
What is your educational background?
I am a university graduate, ma'am.
What course?
Bachelor of Science in Criminology, ma'am.
Do you have experience work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
In what country?
Singapore and KSA, ma'am.
So how long have you been working in Singapore?
I have been working in Singapore, ma'am, for 4 years.
In one employer?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you tell me more about your working experience in Singapore?
I am taking care of baby, ma'am, dog cleaning, and cooking.
How many kids do they have?
They have 2 kids, ma'am.
How old are they?
3, ma'am, and 5, ma'am.
How about in Saudi Arabia? How long have you been working there?
I have been working there, ma'am, for 4 years.
So can you tell me more about your duties in Saudi Arabia?
My duties in Saudi Arabia, ma'am, dog cleaning and ironing, ma'am.
Do they have a kids?
Yes, ma'am.
How old?
20 and 22, ma'am.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong, ma'am, to support my children.
Are you willing to take your day off set by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to finish your 2 years contract with your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you promise not to use makeup while at work?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you willing to share a room with another maid?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you want to say for your prospect employer if they are watching you right now?
Good morning, sir and madam. I am willing to promise to be hardworking, honest, respectful, and to finish my 2 years contract, ma'am, with you. Bye!